Okay, now we're going to start entering our quantities in. So we just highlight the first cell, type in the number, hit enter. It magically drops down to the next row. Put in our quantity and hit enter. And I'll just go ahead and do these super quick. Okay, so there are all my quantities, and now we're going to go and do our costs. You just type in the number, hit enter, type in the number, hit enter, and I'll fill these out real quick. Okay, there we go. And now we're going to format these cells a little bit. And for the quantity, we're just going to justify the list over to the other side just to make it a little bit easier to see. The only reason I'm leaving this column wide is because the word quantity is larger, so we don't want to cramp it. We can bring the cost in just a little bit, and then I'm going to highlight this entire row, and I'm going to go up here to the number formatting, and you have all kinds of options here: currency, numbers, dates, times. But we're just going to do currency, and we could either click here, or there's a shortcut right here, and we'll just click on that, and that'll turn it all into currency. And notice how it just automatically drops the $ all over to the left and gives us 2 decimal points. Now you can easily add decimal points or take them away. So I just took one away there, or I can go to 3 decimal points. But generally speaking, with currency, you would just do 2 decimal points. So that's how we do that. Now in the next lecture, we're going to look at this total column, and I'm going to show you how to create 2 formulas. One is a multiplication formula to multiply the quantity times the cost to give you a total, and then the next one is a sum formula to add the entire total to give you a grand total for all of your remodeling expenses at the bottom.